Hello, hello. It is DeeDee here. I'm super excited to be bringing you a set of new videos. I am here for the Ugly Art Club's 5-minute challenge. I'm setting my 5 minutes. I'm getting going. I am using some Gelli prints as my base. They are from actually it's called the Ugly Art Play Date. So it took me a minute to get that right. But on top of the Ugly Art Club, got to keep them correct. It is a one-off sort of series. How do you do a one-off series? Well, there's going to be more of them. But this one was Gelli Printing, and it was a 4-hour afternoon that Tiffany, Kristen, and I got together and hung out and did some Gelli printing, and it's a separate purchasable thing. So if you're a club member, you actually get access to it live, like with us at the same time as it's being recorded, and at a discount. And then if you're not a member, no worries, you can have access for you a little bit higher priced, not too much though, especially for 3 artists coming in for 4 hours in an afternoon. And you get to watch the recording, so you're not there live, but you can still reach out with questions and things like that. So check that out. I'll definitely be putting the link to that workshop in the description box below. I just need to mention it because all the bases for my 5 minutes this month or this quarter are going to be some of the awesome Gelli prints that we made in that workshop. So that's where these come from. I've got a stash of them. I cut them down to, I think it's 4 1/4 by 3-inch pieces. And I'm coming into this, I want to make a book. So like a little fun journal. We also have some prompts, so it's really exciting. We heard you, our friends, say it was a little bit hard to stay on task, so we made some prompt tabs for you to use. So I threw down my Gelli print that I'm using for this page. I put down today's prompt. It is tape. And then I put some tape down, and I have this gorgeous masking tape that has this vintage color to it. It's really, really delicious. Then there's some Wow Studio washi tape, and I am doing some Stabilo work. The prompts are really great because you can take them or leave them. You don't have to use them. You can mix them up. You can use the word that's on them, or you can use the color theme, or you can use the texture. Like, we really are encouraging you to just have fun and be inspired and create art for 5 minutes. So I'm doing a little Stabilo work here. I am, kind of grunging up this, which is funny because I haven't been doing as much grunge lately, or maybe I just haven't been doing like this level of grunge per se. And in the end, this card does have quite a bit of grunge to it, but I'm digging it. I do enjoy how this little puppy ends up. So the 5-minute challenge, you can find it on Instagram, #TUAC 5-minute challenge, or you can visit this playlist. I'll put a link in the description box to that. Kristen, Tiffany, and I all participate for the full 2 weeks in this 5-minute challenge, creating videos, just kind of bringing awareness to our club and showing you what our creation style is like. So the Ugly Art Club is a subscription membership, and it gives you access to at least 3 tutorials and or videos per month, one from each of the founders. They come out on Sundays, and they're always based on a theme. So like the theme for this month, August, is this and that, and we've had all kinds of themes. We've had pattern play, we've had tear it out and put it in something else. There's just, it's a huge variety. And if you go to the uglyartclub.teachable.com, you can see some of the themes that we've had. And if you open enrollment is coming up, so this is kind of our last hurrah, but right before open enrollment, which we only open a few times a year for 3 days at a time. You can go to the uglyartclub.teachable.com and you can see some of the themes that we've had. You can see you know, sort of what is happening in the club. But you don't have to subscribe to pay. We'd love to have you and share our knowledge and our information with you in our tutorials. But you can join the Facebook group free. So you can just join and share your artwork and just share your love of ugly art in general, which would be fabulous. We'd love to have you. So I did a little bit of paint work on this guy, and then it is done, and stapled my tab on. And this is what right here is what these tabs look like. So go to the uglyartclub.teachable.com and sign up for the 5-minute challenge. It's free, and you get access to those prompts.